Hi, this is Phoenix Genesis for PhoenixGenesis.com and our two YouTube channels, Phoenix Genesis and Fred Camp. So I want to show you a really amazing invention I'm working on. Is super ultra light, super inexpensive, and it'll solve the problem of condensation and keep you warm and dry. So this is my 3.5 ounce new rain jacket, and it is made by DuPont Tyvek. It's a DuPont Tyvek 400, and I got this at Lowe's. It was $10.98 with tax, I think 12 bucks. And I'll show you right here. Here is, if you want to get it yourself, here it is. It's the DuPont Tyvek, and it's made by Trimaco, I think it's called, and it has different sizes. So this is the 5'8" to 6', 350 to 230 pounds. And I didn't see any smaller. I did see larger ones, but I'm 5'4", it fits me perfectly. And this is a full suit, so you have two options here. You could just have the full suit and wear it as one rain piece. Also, if you don't want to wear it in the rain, it's a great vapor barrier in between you and your your packable down throw or your Enlightened Equipment quilt. And it's going to not only mitigate the moisture, prevent the condensation, it's fully breathable, but it's going to retain your body heat, so it's going to prevent that drafting problem with your quilt. Now, what I did with mine is I cut mine in half, and you can see there's a zipper there, and this is completely, again, lightweight, breathable, wind jacket, completely waterproof, not water resistant, and it's half the weight of a Frog Tog jacket and half the bulk. And what I did was, if you see where the zipper kind of is down there at the pant area, I just cut it right under there, and there is an elastic that goes around, so it snugs it up, and you're not going to get a draft and lose air while you're sleeping, and also rain won't get in there and wind won't get underneath. And you can, when you cut it under that zipper, for me, it does cover my shorts, so it kind of is like a little poncho almost, where it goes down lower. You can cut it as low as you want. If you don't want to use the pants, you could cut it even another inch lower and have a kind of a rain skirt out of it as well. You could take the pants, use those as rain pants, cut them as shorts. There's a lot of things. It's a project. It does not come with a hood, but what you can do, like I would combine this with my 1 ounce disposable rain poncho from Walmart, and I have a complete system. What I could do is take one of those as well, or a lightweight disposable poncho, and just duct tape or seam seal tape a hoodie to go over it. It depends, I also carry really ultralight shower cap I can stick in my head to keep my head dry. But I like the combination of this with the Walmart dollar poncho, because the poncho also acts as my pack cover when I put it on. So I've got one that'll keep me some extra warmth, like in Washington or in the Sierras. Or again, I can use this as a part of my dedicated sleep system. How warm did this keep me? Well, I've been out all day. I'm nice and toasty with it. And I just have a cotton poly t-shirt underneath and shorts. I'm very warm with it, especially combined with a buff and a scarf and a beanie. Also, last night I had it with my hammock, and it was raining and it was kind of cold, and I had just a Costco underquilt that I made, seam ripped, my Costco top quilt, and I just had this on and a thermal top and my thermal sleep bottoms, and I was good and toasty. And normally I would have 2 Costco top quilts, and I would have also my Thermarest Scout short pad in the bottom with the underquilt, and it eliminated both of those. I was warm all night long. Even like usually the time when you wake up in cold is usually 3 in the morning, and I was fine. So for $10, you don't need to go out and buy some $300 helium rain jacket. Yeah, it doesn't look as nice. I mean, I kind of look like I'm ready to go on a NASA mission or go capture ET for the government or something, or go in a lab or something. But otherwise, it's perfect. It's ultra light and gives me a lot of mobility and more room in my 14-liter pack for the PCT. So anyway, be creative. Mod this any way you can, just like with the Costco packable down throw. The great thing about DIY projects is you can get very creative and inventive, and if you mess up, it's $10. It's not like you went out and spent a gazillion dollars for some dedicated expensive rain jacket. So anyway, stay inspired, keep working out, keep eating healthy, keep weighing all your gear to try to go as light as possible, and I'll see you on the trail. Bye.